sixth generation farmers and farm about 900 acres. Alongside that, we have got a farm shop which started with a tea trolley on the side of the road back in the 60s. We've expanded up to the present day. The farm shop's gone through various stages. The farm shop had a tea room within the farm shop, and we got planning permission about 5 years ago for various other projects on site. Part of that, we thought we'd try and move the tea room out of the farm shop to create more retail space, expand on the tea room, which we needed to do. I googled oak frame buildings, and Oxford oak was the one we went with in the end because he was quite approachable and he sounded keen. What he was offering was good. It's always a job to get English oak because of the way it's been managed in this country since the war. Really, it haven't been looked after very well, and the quality of the wood that it harvests isn't good. So it was a foreign wood. We would like to have had English oak, but at the same time the quality of the wood was exceptional. It arrived, it got put up in very quick time, and everything was joint perfect. Well, initially I used our own architect that had been involved with doing the existing projects on the farm, at the farm shop. And so we had initial ideas, and we just put those ideas forward to John and he took it on. Plans were drawn up for approval for building regulations, and we went forward from there. Coming out of lockdown, it was all time. Delivering of all materials isn't, even now, it's not as good as it should be, but it all happened pretty quick once the building arrived on the farm. Guys came in and did the slab, and Oxford Oaks contractors came in and just took it on from there. You know, it was sort of pretty seamless all the way through. The quality of the workmanship was spot on. The finished product was exceptional. Our customers enjoy it, they keep coming back, and that's all we could wish for, really. So it's achieved everything that we wanted to get out of the project. There was an existing building in the same spot where the new oak frame building has been built, and we got planning permission for an oak frame building, so we were committed to it. I was looking at a breeze block building, cladding it with lovely feather edge boarding. It would look the same from the outside, but you can't replace with brick what we've got there at the moment. It's really beautiful. Always more money than you perhaps would like to see, but I knew what it was going to be, really. But I was having to expect to buy, because it's an oak frame building, and it's just such a beautiful building. I think the next generation would see the true return on it. Being green oak, the building is always drying out, but on the whole, the way they've done it, the beading they've put around the ceilings and the wall allows for movement, and there's no show of any structural problems at all. Fingers crossed going forward. We've been open 6 months now, and it's good. Yeah, at the end of the day, the quality of the work exceeded what I was expecting, so at the end of the day, I'm really happy. I would recommend Oxford Oak simply because of the quality of the timber and the workmanship, and the finished product is just backs that up.